Hey there, I'm Afnan Babu. Welcome to my back YouTube channel. I Today I gonna discuss you how to earn in one survey to pay $5. Okay, in 1 month you should get $300 very easily by step. Today topic is very important, so don't be skip our video and stay with us. You should go to the first of all. Look, at the last I told you that what can I help you for the website, and many people also told them how to earn in survey. Okay, look, survey is difficult, not difficult. Everyone think that difficult, but I think survey work is so easy for everyone, because if you have talent then you should go to the survey work. Let us look at the website. Many important things. Looks and $5 per survey. Just remember. So to be end at first you should need Google Chrome browser and search online earn USA. Okay, and go to the earn 75 per week online. There's survey work. Look, top 10 paid survey. That's not free. Okay, what they say, join millions of other earning for simply completing online survey, and up to $5 for completing a survey. That's mean if you are complete on survey, then you should gain to earn 500, not only $5. Okay, that's the real side. That's why they payment you so small. Hurry up, sign up to avoid miss out. Okay, that is the sign up rules. Male, female, first name, last name, and email address. At last, you should select your date, month, year, sign up fee. Okay, let's go to the down. Look, the payment method is also PayPal. That's the very important thing. Let's start earning like 1,000s of other people. Look what they say. Earn up to $5 completing a survey. Receipt, gift, voucher, free productions, and more. Earn money from home in our free time. Registered here for free to take a part. Paid survey for free. Okay, as like you guys see that. Look at the letter, and what they last say, how it work. The most important thing, how it work. Sign up for free. Select the survey you want. Take paid surveys. Fill out the survey from top survey companies. Earn from $5 per survey. Okay. Complete the survey as earn cash. Start earning extra cash today. Look, there are FAQ. How does it work? Looks, top 10 survey have. There are many things. Okay. It is free to join. Look, yes, we will not charge you a penny to use our website. We will also not promote survey companies on your website who are going to change you to the joint team. How much I earn? You can earn up $300 per month. Okay, the amount of money you earn will depend on you many companies you registered with, a how much time to spend completing survey. Example, the average survey pays $5. Talking 3 surveys a day, 20 days a of month would earn you $300 a month. Okay, Are my detailed sources? No, your detailed sources are saved with us. How do top 10 paid survey make money? What they say, we make money for including you to the survey completed that you registered with. We will only work with Republic survey completed that it is a contact details. They have given their official email. If you need any help, then contact with them. Okay, look there, member. Look the top members. The amount of money you earn depend on you. At last, they say that if you work there, you should earn $300 in on month. Okay, next extra. And just you should go to the form fill up and you should fill all submit paper. Okay, I just show you a demo what they means and what they work. Look, wait a second. Look at this. How long will the survey take to complete? That's the most important thing I know. Also, it's keep play important role. The website. It the time to complete survey does vary. They can take from a couple of minutes. Oh, it's too easy. Why do I get paid to carry out survey? The companies were willing to reward you in a variety of ways for using your free time to provide them with valuable market researching. At the last thing I want to tell you that if you want to work there, then you should get success in 1 month. I'm definitely sure that the website will give you $300. $300 is very much for you. The main thing is PayPal. Look, the payment method. Look, wait till the payment method. PayPal, iTunes, Amazon. If you agree to make something, if you agree to make something buy to Amazon, and you should go to the Amazon to take the product. Request a looked and Visa card. If you have a bank and then you should transfer your withdraw option in Visa card. Okay. So I think you guys understand it's very much